shit.
All right, let's do this.
My body started shaking and I can't take no more.
Hey, Delacorte! Yes! Hey, kids!
Hey.
Hey!
Hey, you better not take it for a joyride.
Are you sure?
I'm watching you. Miss Halsey.
Hey.
I'm impressed.
Thanks, I've been working
What a
out.
turnout.
Oh, yeah, and the kids are just having a blast.
Well, that's what it's all about.
God, you know, we should go get a drink tonight. I feel like getting drunk. I mean, not drunk. Strong buzz. Still be able to drive.
I'm sorry. I can't yet. I'm just not ready. But if you're patient, I think I might be worth you a while.
You're worth the wait.
I think so, too.